Resurgence. So you know how when we do an extinction procedure and we teach an alternative behavior to replace the behavior that is placed on extinction? And you know how it's so awesome when the behavior we wanted to eliminate or decreases or ceases to exist, and how it's even more awesome when a new alternative behavior emerges instead? Well, that honeymoon doesn't always last too long, because what happens sometimes is when reinforcement for the alternative replacement behavior is discontinued, extinction for the alternative behavior, that behavior that we worked so hard to eliminate can come back, resurge. Basically, since there's no reinforcement for the replacement behavior, extinction. It's like the client goes back to their old ways. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would we thin reinforcement for the alternative behavior? Isn't it desirable? Well, picture this. The alternative behavior is, let's say, functional communication. The client learns effective ways to ask for what they want. Now, their parents or relevant stakeholders can't give them what they want 100% of the time. That just wouldn't fly, and it's nothing like the real world. So we have to thin those schedules. But also, what about when it's accidental thinning, like a busy parent forgot to reinforce, or staff person or teacher? This lack of reinforcement seems harmless until resurgence. There are things we need to consider to lessen the possibility of this happening. Maybe more than one alternative behavior so that the client has more than one choice for behavior. Now, obviously, ensuring procedural fidelity so that accidental extinction for alternative behavior doesn't happen. And when thinning reinforcement is necessary, then just make sure you do it gradually. And that's, by the way, just a few small steps that can be taken. Now, our job is to be proactive and do everything we can to offset some of these risks which exist with any behavior change procedure. And of course, we have to prepare the clients and or stakeholders for these possibilities as well.